Hey guys, welcome back. It's actually the same day, it hasn't really changed much. I am actually doing a meal prep video. I've already started my cooking. I'm cooking my ground beef right now. I don't do the regular ground beef. This ground beef I do is more the organic one. I do this. It's the grass-fed ground beef. It's not the regular type of ground beef because my body, unfortunately, it has a hard time digesting that. So I do the organic ground beef, grass-fed one, and this is not my usual thing I do. I usually do the 97% lean. Yeah, 97% fat-free. Well, actually 97% lean, 7% fat-free. I decided to change it up. Maybe put a little bit more fat into my diet to kind of help with my muscle growth. I am actually going in this week's meal. Um, I'm gonna have some beef and rice, plus some ground turkey, plus some turkey. The beef and rice usually gives me about 4 days worth of meals, and I want 7 days worth of meals. So I'm doing up 3 of these to give me the extra 3 days a day. And I'll be weighing my rice out on this. And I usually do anywhere from 5 to 8 ounces of rice, depending on how much rice I cooked. And I've only cooked 1 cup of rice, so I'm gonna probably do maybe 5 ounces because I don't need a whole lot of calories. 8 ounces if I'm not cutting. I'm on a cut right now, so I'm gonna try to drop my ounces down. You keep kind of cut. Rice does have some carbs to it, not a whole lot. I have to worry about. So I have these styles of meal prep containers, and I also have the bowl ones, and they're like these ones, but they're in compartments. I like these ones. It's because it's simple. I like them better. Let's just put it that way. I like them better. I gotta watch my move here. I'll be right back. Biggest losing time. And when I was talking about fats earlier, I meant good fats. Even though this doesn't have much for good fats, just a little bit of the other kind ain't gonna hurt. It's it's a little bit fattier than what I normally do with my meat. So I said I'm gonna go a little bit more fattier so that way I can have a little bit more flavor. And I use this scale right here. The biggest loser scale. You probably have heard of the show, but that's what I got on right now. Let's turn this sucker on. Yes. 1 ounce. That's about perfect. And I'll do about the same thing with my beef. Except I'm gonna take my beef off and then we'll start building those. It's covered up. Now it's time for the. I do usually one at a time because it makes it simpler for me, anyways. Let's get this warmed up. And I like to use coconut oil for my cooking spray. I don't have anything else against any other cooking spray. This is just a little bit more healthier. A little bit more healthier cooking spray. Put a little bit of pepper on this side. Yep. Sprinkle a little bit of my pink Himalayan sea salt. That's my beef right there. And I don't do a whole lot of talking when I'm trying to lay my stuff out. you're gonna, one of these days is what I'll do is I'm gonna do a grocery haul video so that way you guys see what I buy. For some of you guys that are watching this that know me, well and slow, a lot of you guys already know what I buy. It sucks. I may have to drink some more rice. I do that so that way I know my is ready for my meats and stuff. I'm laying out 5 ounces of rice because I don't want a whole lot. Not quite 5 ounces, but plenty. Now my turkey ones I make not rice with them, I just throw them in a meal prep container and call it. Let me want, do something else with it. And then make a sandwich out of that, which is rice would have carbs, so I mean I do it that way. I do it this way with beef because it kind of adds more to it, more consistent. That's some consistency. Thickness to it, so yeah, really. I'm going to do 5 containers of rice. I'm going to use the rest is for rice I have. This. Yeah. That's also really some meat put in it. Check my ears. Yeah, nice and crispy. This is how I like it. This is just enough where I like to make it like this because then it tells me that it's completely cooked on the inside. Yeah, I'm gonna say I've done this go now. Tell you all my turkey patties. Cooked. Then I'm gonna start measuring out the beef and stuff. I could feel something better. It's just yeah. I think I could start right now. Stuff. Yeah, one piece. Yeah, and with a lot of my meals, I have switched over from the regular ketchup to the organic ketchup. It still hunts 57, but it's more of the organic type, which is more of the natural, like basically made straight. It's like has more of a tomatoey flavor to it than less of that sugar crack. Don't get me wrong, I like sugar as much as I can, but it's if I have too much of it, it's not good for me. Considering both sides of my family uh, do have diabetes issues and have heart issues, so it's not really good for me to have a whole bunch of sugar and fats. And if I do that, I'm just gonna go right back to where I was back before I even started my transition. A heavy person. And I do not like that. I was lifting weights and trying to get healthy, but I was destroying myself with effort. To be totally honest, it was less of an effort. It's like I wasn't even trying to make myself better. Now that I've started my transition, I'm like a year and a month on testosterone. I'm a brand new person. I'm ready to say, hey, the world, this is me. If you don't like me, you're SOL because I'm here. I'm staying. Now it's time to lay out the beef. I usually, because I'm trying to keep my protein levels high. So I want to maybe 8 ounces of ground beef. It might be a prep containers. It's gonna keep my protein high. It's gonna keep me satisfied. I'm just gonna be overall happy. And somebody I'm gonna be bringing to work. Covered. Yeah. And I like using cast iron skillets. Like just compare what's up with iron foods. Big spoon for this one. Yeah, I'm doing about 8 ounces or so. Even though I am weighing, so I know how much I'm getting in there. But I'm kind of like, okay, Come on. Okay, does this look enough? That's good. That looks good enough to me. This one's ready. I've got like, after this one, like 3 more of these. You're kind of have to reset that a little bit. That includes plenty of meat to mix me. I know this is like gonna be an extremely long video. I'm sorry, I apologize. But meal prep videos are normally long because we also talk about other stuff besides meal prep. And the only reason I do meal preps because I work 2 jobs. Okay, so I'm always going. I'm sometimes I'm out of my I don't come back home until way late at night, like 11 o'clock at night. I'm hungry. I'm like, I don't have anything healthy prepped. I'm gonna go. I'll go straight and make. So, and I'll go have something else that is not healthy for me. And I know this because this is me. This is me personally. I don't know how everybody else is. This is me personally. I'm just gonna eyeball this crap. This looks about enough. I know this does not look appetizing, but it's what's gonna help me become a better me, and it's gonna make me happy. Four meals down, 3 more to go. Screw this. That was just one of my last ones for that. I know I have dishes to do. Okay. 2 more to go because did not have enough beef for one. Don't know how that happened, but it happened. And now I'm actually going to turn around and show you the back of my shirt for some of those who really don't pay attention to what I post on Facebook. Basically, I like this shirt. This is one of my favorites because it says anyone can have excuses. Well, you can either have excuses or you can have results, but you can't have both. Anybody can make excuses. It only takes one person to have results. Nobody stands in the way of your success but yourself. And I do believe that. I'm the only person that can stand in the way of my success. Oh yeah. It is done. Cooking my last one. I'm almost done with my meal prep. Oh yeah. And all I did was just to use simple ingredients. It's very simple. All you gotta do is just do it. You don't have to be a master chef to even do this. It ain't rocket science. If you want to eat healthy, be healthy. You want to meal prep. All it takes is just doing it. That's all it takes. If you don't do it, it's on you. If you do it, hey, my hat's off to you. That means you're in the right. That means you got one step forward. You're one step forward in the right track. And this is to everybody that says, you're never gonna lose weight. You're always gonna be the fat kid. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is the new me. This is who I am. Anybody that doesn't like it, kiss my butt. Until the next video, guys. Peace.